Exercise 4D, question number 11. Members of a school book club read either mysteries, graphic novels, or epic fiction. Probability of mysteries is 0.5, probability of graphic novel is 0.4, and probability of epic fiction is 0.6. Given that no one reads both graphic novel and epic fiction, let's start our Venn diagram with this information. As we know, no one reads graphic knowledge and epic fiction. These two circles will be disjoint. Graphic, epic. So, graphic novel and epic fiction. Alright, and the next information is probability of M intersection G is 0.3, which means probabilities of mysteries and graphic novels is 0.3. So let's draw the third circle. So we have, this is mysteries. So probability of M intersection G is 0.3. Therefore, this part is 0.3. Now the whole of G, probability of G is 0.4. So if 0.3 is taken care of here, this should be 0.1. So let's write here 0.1. Next we see that probability of E is 0.6. So this whole circle is 0.6. Now we know that the total probability in a Venn diagram has to be 1. So if this is 0.6, this circle, and this circle is 0.4, then that takes care of the total 1 probability, which means that there is no value left for only M, which is not possible because we have probability of M as 0.5, which is given here. So which means that now from M, 0.3 is taken care of here. So the 0.2 needs to be taken care of. So that means that the 0.2 should be here. Now M is 0.5, 0.3 plus 0.2. And since E is 0.6, this part should be 0.4. And since now we add up all and we get 1 already, so the probability of outside is 0. So here we've done with our Venn diagram. Now part B says find the probability of M union G. So let's start with B1. B1, probability of M union G. So M union G means all of M and all of G without repetition. So that will be 0.6. So let's write here 0.6. Next we have probability of M intersection G. M intersection G union M intersection E. So M intersection G is here and M intersection E is here. So we have to take the union of these two, which means we need to add 0.3 and 0.2. So the second part answer will be 0.3 plus 0.2, which is equal to 0.5. Now let's move on to C. C is, are the events G complement and M independent? You must justify your answer. Now, first of all, let us find the probability of G complement and M. So, probability of G complement, which means everything outside G, is 0.6. And probability of M is 0.5. Now two events are independent. When we multiply them, So probability of G complement into probability of M. We multiply them and we get 0.6 into 0.5, which is 0.3. And let's find out the intersection of these two events. In order to find the intersection, we have G complement. So G complement is everything outside G. So everything outside G in the circle is G complement. So all of this, which is outside the circle G, is G complement. We need to take the intersection of this with M. So M is here. This is M. So since we are looking for the intersection, we will look for the part which is highlighted by both the colors, and that is 0.2, because 0.2 is the only region which has overlapping of both the colors, as it is an intersection. So probability of G complement and M, which is the common region between the two, is 0.2. Since these both are not equal, so these two values are not equal, then G complement and M are not independent. Okay, so answer is not independent, and the part where we are asked to justify our answer is using this logic here. Okay, so that's your answer.